I can only sing the praises of this thing. It's one of these. So I bought one of these. I mean, they're not massively expensive. I think in America they charge the earth for them, right? And it's just because the stopcock, which is down there, that stopcock doesn't stop. It actually doesn't stop the water, right? And so I put that on, right, which is now fully open, and you can see water's coming out. Plenty of pressure. You know what I mean? So I'll leave it running small like that, and then you'll see. Stopped it. It really works. I'm really happy with that. And I've actually got it on the input pipe, because I was thinking about putting it on here because of the way this works, but now I've got it in the input pipe. I can actually use this piece of pipe here. So we've now got a secondary stopcock. That first one I don't know. I was going to try and put it on down there, and I could probably maybe get one on there, but I'm not going to. But yeah, it works. I mean, I saw the reviews, and some guy pressure tested it, and he couldn't break it, basically. No, so they are pretty good. And there's no... I'm not feeling any water coming out, no weeping or anything. So it's really done the job. Yeah, I'm actually very happy about that. Yeah, I'm not sure about the angle, though. I mean, that's 90 degrees. And that's... well, not. You know. Some other guy said he put it on and he couldn't get it to work properly, but the key to it, this is one of the things that I think sometimes people miss, right, is this step here. Whoa, shit. This step here, where you've got to make sure the alignment works, and the reason why you need that is because the whole thing inside is just a through pipe like that, and if you have it offset, then it will restrict the supply. So you have to have that lined up, or else it won't, or else it will restrict the supply. And so that, yeah, that's great. I can't believe it. Look at that. I can use this as a tap. So I'm really pleased with that, and it's really worked. So yeah, well worth the money. It's certainly the £56 I think I paid for the kit. Yeah, plumber, 200 quid easy, maybe even more. You know what I mean? So that saved me a lot of money. I mean, you know, it's a well-engineered piece of kit. So can't say worse than that. So now that means I can now cut this pipe off and put on. I want to put fittings on, so I can put a hose on it. I don't know where I put the stuff now. Oh, it's under here. You see, I want to fit one of these. You see, and then I got the hose fittings, which are these, and then I've got the hose here, and there, and then that means I can actually start pressure washing stuff. So yeah, it's cool. So we'll be doing that maybe tomorrow. Cool.